Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you top traffic sources which you will get more sales because this type of traffic sources are unique. So let me reveal these secret traffic sources because here million of users are active here. Active million of users are available here. You will see a lot of users in the in these traffic sources. So let me show which the traffic sources you will apply or you can use daily. So first traffic source is brands.com. You will see just save it. This is very uprising traffic sources. We can see at the similar web here. You see that 1.10 million monthly visits. Huge traffic are there. Just post here and you'll get more sales. You can do affiliate or CPA marketing here, just trying to do some tips because here there are a lot of privacy policy and terms and conditions here. Just follow it and post here. You will see a lot of sales and everything. Okay, so just save it minds.com. Let me show the second traffic sources, big traffic sources. Its name is Slideshare. We know that Slideshare, someone know that, someone don't know. Here a lot of traffic. It's a big traffic sources. So you can see at similar web the traffic sources monthly visits. You can see 70 million. It's big traffic sources here. Just test here your niches which you want to work. You will get more sales. CPO or affiliate, whichever you want. Just written here or following the slide share terms and conditions and post daily. You will see a lot of visitors and you will get a lot of visitors in your website or in affiliate marketing sales. So second traffic sources. Now we can go to the third traffic sources. Is Quora. We maybe know Quora.com. It's huge traffic here, huge traffic here, Quora.com. Here, Quora.com is one kind of big traffic sources. If you see the traffic sources, 614 million visits. Huge traffic sources here. If you post daily at least 5 to 6 posts here, I think you will get 100 to 200 sales daily. It's a small amount. Here, 1,300 USD income generated some users. So just follow these traffic sources and you will get more sales. Okay. And next traffic sources is we can see the super article. Maybe it's unique, but you have to know. I repeat it now. It's huge traffic sources here. You see a lot of system in a lot of category. Which types of article you want to publish, just follow it and then press here. We can see the similar visitors. We can see 74 January visitors. So these are huge traffic. So these four traffic sources I revealed for you. Just do affiliate or CPA about promotion or article or just write article here you can have not to discuss. The last traffic source is livejournal.com. Maybe someone knows something like that. It's the article. Right? You see that here you can sign up or go post new daily here. If you can see the traffic sources and the similar web, 74 million big traffic sources. It's you can follow it daily and post article or promotion your product or just affiliate or CPA. You get more sales. Just sign up here and post daily. So today we saw the top most five traffic sources which driven a lot of website traffic here. So it's very important for you to apply your daily life. Just follow and take these websites. Okay. So today is important for you because I reveal this type of secret. So I think you will get enjoy this video and subscribe my channel so that I can post or upload new secret traffic sources which will work very much. So thank you very much. So take with me time. Thank you very much.